Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to dig into whether the Russian blue cat is the right breed for you. Watch till the end to discover if you could make a great cat parent to this regard. Let's begin. Reason for wanting a pet. If you're seeking a hypoallergenic cat, the Russian blue may be a good choice for you. It's a relatively low-maintenance breed, especially if you're living on a budget. It is a loving and devoted cat that will demonstrate affection for your whole family, thus making it a perfect pet for your household. I recommend this cat if you want an intelligent feline that figures out how to open things like doors or containers on its own. If you have a regular 9-to-5 job but still want to own a pet, the Russian blue cat has a strong independent streak, and it won't mind being left alone indoors, as the cat only thrives well on a routine and does not adapt well to changes. This breed may not be for you if you frequently move homes to unfamiliar environments or have numerous guests. The cat is amazingly tolerant toward other animals, and its diplomatic nature makes it get along well with other pets. It also has a high prey drive, so consider twice before having a pet fish or bird with the Russian blue cat around. Living situation. You may want to keep the Russian blue cat indoors, as it is a home cat. It's not cut out for outdoor life and can easily get cold. If you live in an apartment, it should have a designated area for food and water and sufficient space where the cat can climb and play around to satisfy its curiosities. It also prefers a calm environment and is sensitive to loud noises or abrupt movements. First-time owner. For a first-time owner, the Russian blue cat has a tranquil and friendly temperament and desires to be with its owner much of the time. This translates to why the gentle-tempered and loyal cat will always be at the front door waiting for your return while you're gone and will follow you everywhere at home. The Russian blue cat is very susceptible to your mood, so whenever you're feeling down, it gravitates towards you to comfort you through cuddles. It's inclined to attach to its owner but will still portray affection towards the entire family and demand the same in return. Once it's developed sufficient confidence around the household, it becomes relatively comfortable with children and other pets. Albeit being a tad curious and substantially intelligent, the cat is still reserved and tends to shy away from strangers. It may become reclusive and aloof when you have guests over. You may also want to watch its eating habits, as it can easily become obese or overfed. Affordability. The price for a healthy, good quality Russian blue cat is around $400 to $750, based on multiple factors, such as lineage, gender, color, the breeder's reputation, and registration. The ones with the top-notch pedigrees are higher priced than the ordinary breeds, varying between $1,500 and $3,000. Regarding the carrying cost, to maintain this breed every month, you will need $20 to $75 for food, $15 to $200 plus for healthcare, and $15 for grooming. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and have gained more insights into whether the Russian blue cat is the right breed for you. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.